Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to open command prompt inside any folder in Windows 10. Open File Explorer on your PC and navigate to the folder you want. Click on the address bar. Type CMD and press enter. A command prompt window opens with your current folder as the working directory. Instead of wasting time typing long folder paths in command prompt, you can open it directly inside the folder with just a click. This trick makes running commands, scripts, or programs super easy and quick. This is how you can open command prompt inside any folder in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.